grade 9. Myself of grade 8. So we are from Sri Ramadhan CCSE school in Pathangi. We are presenting the model named IoT, Smart Fertilizer in Smart Agriculture. So from the introduction part explanation. So this project presents IoT application in Blink app. Mainly our Bharat, it is facing the climate changes badly due to global warming and for deforestation also. So many campaigns have been taken up in India for planting more trees. And to reduce our effort, while we don't plant the trees all the time, we need to go and plant the trees. It can be done, but not in the major amount. But to reduce our effort, we have made something that would be helpful in fertilizing and watering the plant based on Blink app. So, do you heard of the Blink app before? Blink app, WA0090. It is the app majorly used for controlling and monitoring the devices like the flow of the fertilizers and the water also. So, this is used for this app, and this app is totally like turning off and on the light, and we can because of this app we are somewhere else in the world. We can be somewhere else at that when we are sitting at that place only. We can just on and off the buttons the devices, then it will automatically come, and the water supply is also there and fertilizers is also there. And the water can be increased and decreased just by rotation of potentiometer in the Blink app. In 2021, the India's estimated population is about 1.38 billion, and the India's population is increasing day by day. So after 40 to 50 years, the serious problem of food will be increased. So the development of agriculture is very important. As we know, soil is very important in the agriculture purpose. Therefore, soil and nutrients monitoring are very important in agriculture and horticulture also. Nowadays, we are neglecting the plants very much in the vacation times. If the family consists of like 6 to 7 members, our vacation time will be there, summer vacation will be there. They will go out to spend their vacations, and they have in the house, they have the plants and trees in their house. They might be in the summer season only, they will get the heat from the sun, only the heat. Water facility will be not there for the plants at that moment. For that moment, what we have made this model, it is very helpful for feeding the water also, and the plant will be irrigated all the time. And the purpose of this project is to control the soil humidity, temperature, and the NPK values for the agriculture purpose. This is one of the best and the unique project which I had never done before. So let us start by explaining whatever the materials we have required. So first, this one is the temperature and humidity sensor, and this one is a soil moisture humidity sensor. This one is PCB board, and this one is node MCU, and these are the transistors, rails, and the DC batteries, and here nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, all the pumps we have used, and the water facility is also there. So one by one we will go on the describing whatever the materials we have used. You can see also there in the chapter. So first it is node MCU. It is really very useful for controlling over the devices over the internet. It can be used with the microcontroller like Arduino, or it can be programmed to do its work on its own. Next comes the transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device that conducts and insulates the electric current or voltage. Next comes the solenoid. Solenoid here you can see. We have also installed here solenoid. It is the device used to convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy. When we on the model, when we show the solenoid will from the force it will inject or the water will come here, and directly it will transport. That by onning it is electrical energy. Whatever the transformation is there, it will mechanical energy. And the next comes PCB board. PCB board, printed circuit board. It is a non-conductive material which is connected with the conductive lines, which entirely holds the copper circuits. Then comes the temperature and humidity sensor. This is the sensor. It is really very useful for capturing the weather data, whether it is hot or cold. Depending upon the sensor, depending upon this sensor, it will come to know what is the temperature. Next. And the next comes direct current. Direct current is electric charge which flows consistently in one direction, and the direct current was invented by the scientist Thomas Alva Edison.
Next comes the soil moisture humidity sensor. So why do we need this? Because to measure the water content in the soil, moisture water is there, and the irrigation system to get the higher yield of good crops.
So next comes fertigation. Fertigation is the method of fertilizer application which is enhanced with the irrigation water by the drip system.
Next we will show the model.
You show that app.
First we have to on the USB.
Okay.
And here the direct currents
Slow.
and the net and the hotspot should be on.
Come this way.
Come here outside.
Slow.
And this is the blink app. Here it shows soil moisture, and here it shows temperature, and here it is the humidity. And these are on-off device buttons. We can control them like this.
Next. By the soil moisture humidity sensor, then we will open to this.
Please come this way. You come this way.
Manually we are running the from this. The fertilizers, whatever the water is required,
You can control the amount, right?
Yeah, we can on and off, we can control. We need a large amount of a planting system, but here it was not provided, so we used here a little amount of
Why do you need the sensor?
So, ma'am, to sense the water content among the soil and about when we know the sensor, how much water it will contain, and that time and we can put whatever the water is there.
Suppose it's rainy season,
No.
then you would not water the plant.
At that time,
So
it is
with this
there.
you would know, no?
Yeah.
That there is enough water, we don't need to do it today. So that is the purpose of this basically. If it's very dry, you may put more.
But fertilizers also we can, these fertilizers we can put. No need of the water.
Right.
And the advantages of this model is that getting the increased food production, higher yields we will get now, and the farm efficiency will be also increased.
And climate monitoring also.
Climate monitoring by the temperature, by the temperature we can get it. And then water management is also done by this.
Yes, no wastage.
Yeah, no wastage of water.
And no wastage of labor also. Nobody
Yeah,
will come in your house and go,
So
right?
why do we need this project? Because the reason is
This IoT application is capable to fertilize 20 to 25 plants at a time.
at the time it can be 20 to 25 plants. And why do we need this? Because of the lack of labor. Upcoming 40 to 50 years, we don't know, India, it is mainly for agriculture purpose. The farmers are dependent on the agriculture purpose, and the whole India, we need, because the plants which will give us the two essential things, the food and the oxygen. So these are need to be improved, fertilizers, they all are need to be required for these plants. And it is not compulsory or necessary that you only need to use this nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. You can also use the pesticides also, fungicide also, and insecticide, etc.
So basically this is for home purposes as well as farming purposes. Very nice. Very applicable for
And this project combines the whole three parts of the science now. Physics is also there, this circuit, and biology, the plants are there, and the chemistry, whatever we are using here, three types of
This is based on what? Not reverse osmosis. Is it based on reverse osmosis?
No, ma'am, it is not.
Then it's based on what? The principle, what is the principle?
The principle of Bernoulli's principle, ma'am.
What is the interval through which you send this supply the fertilizers?
Yes.
Fertilizers you are telling now.
Yes.
Do you sense how much is the requirement of fertilizer or not just you sense?
Sir, it will sense.
What are the senses you are using?